too. So
yes, that's great.
Hi, everybody. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am here in Sandy, Utah with the founder and CEO, Erin Bradley of ZYIA Active. Quick little info about ZYIA. I got connected with Erica Jason about 2-3 months ago, who's a rep for ZYIA. And she introduced me to the brand, and this is the red outfit that you guys have seen me wear. And now I have the opportunity to meet Erin, and I'm so excited. I got to hear your story. It's so great. So, Erin, if you'll kind of tell everybody, hi, Erica, just a little bit about ZYIA, how it got started, just kind of the story behind it. That'd be amazing.
Yes, absolutely. So we just wanted to create something we've always loved, direct sales, and the community that you feel being a part of such an amazing, like, just community of women. So we also love activewear. I've always been an active person, always loved fashion. So to put, fashion and being active together was just something that really I've always had such an interest in. And so, we kind of combined the two worlds. We combined the direct sales, the activewear, and the fashion. And, as I was telling you earlier, we love that this company is about empowering women. And kind of the idea also that came about is that one night I was on a moonlit snowshoe hike with a bunch of amazing ladies, and I look up and there's women helping women supporting each other. Come on, we've got this, we're almost there, keep going. And I just knew that the feelings from that night needed to be duplicated and tried to do something with those. So we now have this company. We have 3,800 reps where women are helping each other. They have this platform to be able to provide for their families financially. It has just been a super, super fun experience and just a super cool. We started 2 years ago. I was telling you, it's almost been 2 years in February, and we just have grown so quickly, but also so much opportunity out there still for women to get involved in, and pretty awesome, comfortable stuff too to wear.
It's amazing. I think that's one of the coolest things. And you guys, the camera is shaking because I literally had the killer arm workout today. So that's why the camera is shaking. Maybe I need to hold it like this. Whoo, that's an arm workout. But yeah, so not only is the company incredible, and they have the story is amazing, obviously founder is amazing, and you were telling me the moon in the logo represents kind of that trip that you were on, right?
Yes. So that night when I looked up and I saw these women, the moon was literally shining just right above them. So wow. Our logo is the moon from that experience and that night, and light. So we have 4 pillars that we really try to push here at ZYIA, and it's light, uplift, activity, and community. And those are all super important to us, those 4 pillars, and something that we continually push, and our reps continually push and amaze us, and we're inspired by our reps on the daily, seeing them uplifting each other and being a light. It's been so fun.
I love it. It's so, so cool. So we're actually going to give you guys a sneak peek of their warehouse.
Yes, we'll give you a little tour.
And actually what's really cool too, and I want to just mention this, Erica Jason has been so, so gracious to not only gift me with this amazing outfit that I will be rocking next weekend at the pageant. Oh my gosh, so shaky. This is hilarious.
But should I show them how cute you look?
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so let's see here. There we go. So we can flip it, and I'll let you just turn the camera this way.
You look so dang cute in it. I want people to see you, how cute you look.
So the leggings are not only, they feel amazing, the compression's amazing, but I can, hang out in this, and we were talking about this. And this is so funny. I love this pocket. And I was asking Erica, I was like, what's this for? She's like, your phone, duh. And there's so many times at the gym where I'm just boop, and I can pop my phone in it. So I love it.
It's the best.
This bomber jacket is so fun. And then I just got a bunch of new stuff. I'm so excited. You guys will be seeing me wear it next weekend. So let's pop into the warehouse and see what we've got. So another thing too that I kind of want to mention, Erin, is you're telling me that every Wednesday you guys come out with new releases, right?
We do. So we have new launches every Wednesday to kind of keep everybody excited and have continually new fresh stuff. We also have our staple items that you can always get and that we'll always have in stock. But we just love surprising and keeping everybody anxious to see what we come out with every Wednesday.
That's so cool.
So we've got, I don't look like I'm really an activewear right now, but we do.
She totally is.
Athleisure, so this is our boyfriend sweater.
Ooh.
So we do a lot of athleisure that you can just kind of wear grocery shopping.
But you still look amazing.
But we can still
Yeah,
dress it up.
you don't look like you're like being lazy.
Yeah. So we've got the whole slew of things. But yes, so this is our warehouse. We've got this is where we keep all the goods.
Oh, so what I was gonna say is, so Erica is gonna donate a percentage of sales. I will send you guys a link. Oh yeah, awesome, Sam. I will totally send you guys the link. I'll put it in here so you guys can order some amazing stuff. And this is where it's gonna come from. So that's really fun.
Boys.
Yep. Say hi, everybody. Anything you want to show us, Erin? Like a product or something you want to show?
Like I would.
What about those fun, like really multicolored pants? I don't know what they're called. And there's like a bra that matches it. I'm putting Erin on the spot.
I know, I'm like, this is terrible, but I want to show you what we're wanting tomorrow, but
Oh.
I'm so much trouble.
Right? No, that's totally fine. I was thinking it was Wednesday, but it's totally Tuesday, isn't it?
So we'll take the pants. Are they the radicals?
Radicals are fun too. That'd be cute. And don't.
Where those are?
Up top, I know the bra on that front row. I think all the radicals are on top.
They are. Oh, yeah.
And you guys have a.
This is one of our best-selling bras, too.
Oh.
It's called our bomber bra.
Is that what I have on?
No, you have the all-star bra.
Oh, that's
which is
right.
Amazing, also. But this has
This is what we have to do.
this cute detail in the back.
Oh, I love that.
But we have it in white, black, blue, green. This fun color. This has the bomber jacket and bomber shorts to match it.
And isn't there a little girl's outfit too that matches? I'm gonna need that for me and my daughter. She would freak out.
5-year-old, it's so cute. In fact, yes, she doesn't choose her own outfit once she chooses her own outfit.
Love it.
She always chooses her ZYIA pants. It's like the one. It's the cutest thing. It makes me so happy.
That is so cute. And then you guys have a men's line too, right?
We do. Yep, and we are really expanding that right now.
Cool.
So we have a lot of men's stuff coming right now. We're getting more and more of a demand for it. But super awesome men's stuff, joggers, shorts, awesome shirts, some really cool jackets. So yeah, we can keep expanding, and
Love it.
now we've got to just listen to little boy stuff. I'm like, we've got to get little boy stuff now because I have 2 boys, 2 girls,
Oh my gosh.
and my girls.
Did the boys feel left out? Right, seriously. All right, well, I'm going to flip this around here and we can say thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, Erin,
Oh,
for
thank you.
supporting me and for giving me a tour and for chatting with me. I'm excited about
I'm
what we're gonna
so
go
excited
from
for
here.
you and love hearing everything you stand for, and I feel like everything kind of aligned with some of the stuff you were saying. I'm like, yes, that's exactly what we would love to stand for here at ZYIA. We do stand for here at ZYIA, but you're doing amazing work, and so happy for you and excited for your competition coming up. And Erica, thank you for putting us in touch.
Thank you so much, Erica. We're so excited. So I'll post a link for the party that you guys can shop. If you guys have questions, I'll make sure you guys can get in touch with Erica. Thank you again, Erin and ZYIA. We're excited for more stuff to come with ZYIA and show you guys more about this amazing company and what you guys do for women all over the country.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you
much.
guys. All right, have a good one. Bye, guys.